Okay, I'm gonna put the vent fan in. Okay, I want to center it up. So, like always, I'm just gonna assume these things are, I'm gonna center out between these things. Yeah, that's good enough. Come on. Come on. Okay, the thing didn't work out very well. I couldn't draw a line, just about how close it is to the roof. I guess there's probably an easier way to do it, I don't know. But my mom just told me to cut out a template, so I'm gonna do that. And makes it a little easier.
Let me take this away from you.
Yeah, I'm gonna stretch that, but that's not gonna work because I don't know the distance. This has to butt up to this so I can screw into this.
I understand.
So I'm gonna trace the inside of it, and I'm just gonna cut a bigger hole.
Okay.
Where does...
Alright, let's cut a hole. Okay, you're gonna cut a hole. Doesn't fit. Hey, thank you, Lord. I was worried all these rivet holes, I was worried one of them was going to line up with one of these holes and it wasn't going to be able to grab. As you see, well, I think you can see, not a single one lines up with a rivet. It's pretty cool. Okay, now I need to cut out my supports that are going to go around it. I don't know how to do it. Anyways, I'm going to go down each side and then one across the middle. I'm going to use 1.5 steel tubing, which is the same dimension as the hat channel. So it should fit pretty flush to the hat channel, and then I can frame that out with wood later on, like normal. Yeah, I'm gonna get my measurements real quick. Okay, I got 25.5, 25.5, and then 14.25. And then I'll put it just right outside, so those, because it's about a 14-inch hole. The thing is meant for a 14 by 14, so it'll push it out an 1/8 inch on each side. That way it'll fit just fine down in there, and then the holes will line up, and I can screw directly into it. So I'm gonna go cut those. I'll be right back. Since I wouldn't be able to get to it, I spray painted the top, left the sides metal. Yeah, that's the word. It might melt off when I weld it, but we'll see. Anyway, it makes me feel better. Okay. Here, I'll show you real quick. Oh, right. I don't know if you can see or not, because I can't see. Okay. I just roughly welded this little H in here. I didn't like full weld it. I mean, I just like put a couple beads on each point. It's not really structural. It's just more so of a way for me to get some screws, some solid screws down into some metal that's welded to these hat channels, and also that will give me an area similar to this so I can frame it. And then this part of the hat channel will be where the other piece screws into, as I explained earlier. I don't even know if you can hear me. I'm not talking very loud. Sorry. I'm gonna paint it with this the rest of the way. Hopefully it won't rust. Painted. Yeah, you were right. You were so right.
So annoying. Sorry, guys. It's crazy we've done all this.
I agree.
Well, you've done most of it, but it's crazy that it's been done at all.
Right?
I mean, I never doubted that we could do it, but I'm not really sure why now that I see what all was going into it.
Why we would do it?
Why I didn't doubt that we could do it. I was like, yeah.
Because we
crazy.
watched a lot of people who said themselves, like, I don't, you know, they're like, I've never done anything like this in my life, or I didn't know anything about power tools, or I've never done, you know, any kind of construction, nothing. And I was like, I've done kind of some of that stuff. I might be able to do it. Really?
What in the world?
Come on, Maxxair. What's up with that? Stop rocking. Great. Oops.
world just happened? This is not real life right now. Wait a minute. Are the holes lined up? Yeah, they're lined up. Did I do that too? It broke too?
Yes. I wonder if it's because I didn't get a big enough drill.
Did?
Like, I mean,
That guy used a tiny one. These are super tiny. You don't want it to be too big.
I mean, it's just smaller than the threads like you'd want it.
Yeah. Did the drill bit go all the way through the, not angle iron, but the... Obviously not very strong. What in the world? Look, it's bent even.
How many holes we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Wait, okay, start in this corner. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. I think it might have some motion. Come on. Let's just use this. This is self-tapping.
You sure it'll work?
Nope.
Okay. I just put the trash in this bag since these are trash. Basically. Alright, yeah. That's better. Do yourself a favor, people. Get self-tapping screws.
Goopy.
I gotta get this thing in less than 30 minutes. Gotta do it.
Has to be done. It has to be done.
You gotta put the...
Can they see all this?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. We got this thing put down. Seems like it's gonna be okay. As you saw, the screws popped off. We had some of these left over. These little self-tapping hex head screws that we have for drilling in the window trim rings, so they work perfect, which is nice. Now we just got to open this up, which will reveal the screw holes here on all 4 sides, which will line up with this. Okay.
You wanna do that for a photo? Man, I gotta get over here.
Alright, let's see what it looks like. Look at that. Huh. It's a fan. It's a fan.
Is it on? I mean, it's plugged in? Okay. Here we go, guys. Okay, so...
That's good.
Okay, that's not funny. So as long as air in, okay. It works!
It feels awesome.
That's so cool!
That is cool. It works.
Oh, I never realized you're filming. I'm always away.
I forgot you were filming. And I'm saying stupid stuff. Oh, well.
Okay. All right. Once you're done, or whenever you go, you'll see later. But we'll frame it out, and that'll be what we put our ceiling boards to. But once you get done, you'll trim it out with this piece. You'll just take this and cut it to whatever depth you need. And then it'll just push your wires out of the way. I don't know if you can see those wires. You just push them out of the way. And you'll just push this up into it. And that will trim it up. And you have a fan. Thanks for watching.
Woohoo!